Hey guys, in this one, we're going to be talking about that fairly simple jazz lick that I think you'll really enjoy. So, let's jump right into it. What's up guys, my name is Evan DiDio and you're watching the Evan DiDio Show, where we do guitar tutorials like this one, music theory lessons, product reviews, and guitar vlogs. So it's just a whole bunch of fun in a family-friendly way, bringing back music appreciation for the next generation. So make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, ding the little bell, like this video, and share it with your friends if you like it. But let's go ahead and jump right into the solo. And before we get into the solo, very important, make sure if you're more of a beginner and you want to take things at a slower pace on YouTube, you can click the three dots up there, click playback speed, and then you can literally slow the video down so I start talking like this. But you can do that at like 0.25 or even 0.5, and you can really slow it down just so you can get each individual note as clean as possible. But let's go ahead and jump right into the lick. Okay, so it's a fairly simple lick, just a little quick, and with a lot of different notes that you might not have really played together before. So let's go ahead and start off with our third finger on the 9th fret of the D string right here. Now we're gonna reach up to the B string. Kinda gonna do from the first finger on the 7th fret, hammer on with our second finger to the 8th fret, pull it off, hit that note again. So far it sounds like this. Then we're gonna do a walk down here on the G string with our third finger on the 9th fret, second finger on the 8th fret, first finger on the 7th fret, and then we're going to put our third finger, or pinky, whichever one you want to use. I like to use my third finger, on the 10th fret of the D string, second finger or third finger, depending on if you decided to use your pinky up here on the 10th fret or not. I use my second finger here on the 9th fret of the D string. Then we're going to come back up here with our first finger to the 7th fret of the G string. So what we have so far sounds like this. Then we're going to do that little walk down on the D string again with the third finger on the 10th fret or pinky. I like to use my third finger again. Second finger on the 9th fret. And then this next part is a little interesting. We're going to take our third finger here on the 10th fret of the A string, and then put our first finger on the 8th fret of the A string, and then hammer on with our second finger to the 9th fret of the A string, like that. So far what we have sounds like this. Then we're going to do kind of a minor pentatonic walk up here with our first finger on the 7th fret of the D string. Then we put our third finger on the 9th fret of the D string. Our first finger then goes here on the 7th fret of the G string. Third finger on the 9th fret of the G string. Bring it back down to our first finger here on the 7th fret of the G string. And then this next part is a kind of a bar chord. You can play it with your first finger like that, or you can play the bar chord like this. And if you need help with bar chords, there's a whole video where I talk about it right here in the left corner, so you can go and check that out. But you could also just play a regular D chord down here. But let me go ahead and play through it kind of slow, and feel free to play along with me. So you can play this bar chord several ways. The easiest way would be here with our first finger barred across the 7th fret on the D string, G string, and B string. You can end it like that. But let me go ahead and play it a little slow for you, and feel free to play it along with me too. Let's do that again. Alright guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Now, if you did and you don't know what bar chords are at all, make sure you check out my bar chord playlist. It's very beginner focused, and really, if you haven't learned bar chords yet, it is very important to where you can play any song. Bar chords help you to be able to play any song. Really, you can figure out any chords. It's just so helpful to know bar chords. And you might be like, well, I'm sticking with a capo, and I have a video on capos too. Should guitarists use capos or not? I'll link that up there. But thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed the little jazz solo. I will continue to use it in the future, and I hope that you do too. Make sure you subscribe, share this video with your friends, like the video, and maybe I'll see you soon with some more jazz solo tutorials. That'll be pretty fun. Check out some of my other stuff. You know, just do all that fun stuff. Just do all of it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.